One day, I sat to make a drawing of my beloved god Ganesha, and my mom, who is my inspiration, was sitting right beside me. After 30 minutes, my drawing was ready, and it was the best drawing I had ever made. I was feeling very proud of myself. I was really happy too. I was like, yay! I felt I had made the drawing perfectly. I had spent time on every small detail, the curve of the trunk, the symmetry of the eyes. I was quite surprised by how well the feet pointed out. Was this really made by me? Frankly, I could not believe that I managed to complete it. I just remember taking one step at a time, part by part, and then finally seeing that whole picture coming together, and let me tell you, it looked so beautiful. I still have the drawing in my file, which is kept in my almirah. Whenever I see that drawing, I feel really proud of myself. But this was not the first one I had made. My drawings were horrible at the beginning, as horrible as the face of Ravan. After many trials, I was about to give up, but Ma said, "Why don't you draw a perfect crown, then a perfect trunk? How about perfect eyes now?" So that brings me to this. Perfect the details and the picture is then perfect. I tried this technique with creating a miniature rocket model where I was struggling, but it was not quite working out the way it worked out with drawing. That's when I felt maybe my devotion had something to do with it. It gave me the determination to keep going till I achieved perfection. So, I came up with a step-by-step process of how you can use this technique for other activities too. Hope it helps. Measure, be it time space to be taken or number of steps to complete one task. When something is measurable, we feel it is achievable. We need a fixed measurement for making a drawing, doing maths, or even while creating a miniature rocket model. Focus. Let me start with an example. I was creating a miniature version of a rocket. Here, I had to focus on the smallest of details for the entire project to look fabulous. In the first few trials, I was not able to make even the tip of the rocket. But when I tried multiple times with all of my patience and focus, ta-da! It was ready. So what may feel like extra time taken when you focus is actually time saved overall, as your end result will be a success. Patience. This is where devotion for me helps. Now, I treat every job I do like I am drawing my beloved Ganesha. I am able to be patient and have faith that it will be successful. This also helps me enjoy the process of work. Dealing with failure. You'll lose many times, but don't lose hope and give up. Try till you are able to give your best, and then, even if it doesn't work, it is not failure, but success for you. Well, this was some guidance from the inspiration in my life, my mom. She has taught me never to stop. Try till you get the best. She has taught me in the skill of drawing wonderful pictures. Well, now let's talk about my future aim, my dream. My dream is to become a space scientist. I want to make rockets and launch them into space because learning more and more about space is my personal interest. So my plan is to use these steps to achieve the goal and in a way, perfection. Thank you.